Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another review, another unboxing, another testing. So ang i-review natin ngayon is the 1911 Tactical Airgun. So ito siya guys. Airgun pistol, CO2 powered, steel BBs. Okay, so ang bala niya ay 4.5 millimeter. CO2 powered, full metal. So ito yung specs. Blowback, yung hop up niya ay naka-fix. Caliber 4.5, steel BBs. Meron siyang manual safety and ambidextrous, manual safety and beaver tail. Then this is 17 rounder, 17 rounds capacity. Ayan, ang velocity niya nasa as per KWC, nasa 97 meters per second. Okay, so may kasama siyang product catalog. 1911 Tactical Airgun Manual. And the unit. By the way, shout out kay Sir Romel. Okay, Sir Romel. Yan, 1911 Tactical. Ito yung magazine. 17 rounder. Yan. All metal siya guys. Metal slide, metal frame. Ambidextrous yung safety. Beaver tail. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Ayan. Airgun pistol, 1911 Tactical. Lagyan natin ng CO2. By the way, may kasama pala siyang Allen at saka steel BBs. Yan. Lagyan lang natin guys ng CO2. Then, kailangan mabilis yung pihit. Yan. Okay, saktong higpit lang po. Huwag nyo siyang higpitan ng todo. Okay? Then, pag-load naman, sagad nyo lang yung spring sa dulo. Tapos, dito nyo po ilalagay yung bala sa may butas. Yan. Tapos, dahan-dahan lang din yung balik ng spring. Yan. Okay. So, again, this is the 1911 Tactical Airgun Pistol 177 caliber 4.5mm steel BBs. Yan. Testing. Testing 1911 Tactical Airgun by KWC. Chambered in 4.5mm steel BBs. Firing. Okay, open slide. Release the magazine. Alalay sa slide, hammer down. Okay, 1911 Tactical by KWC.